Hello dear children, welcome to MS Language in class. Today we learn multiple choice questions and exercises of the concept lesson. Dear children, it includes 1 mark questions and 3 mark questions and also given word. Let me start very important questions in this lesson. The first question is, Anant was bedridden as. The options are, he was fighting cancer, B, he was suffering from fever, C, he had wounded his hand, D, he was suffering from cough and cold. The answer is, he was suffering from cancer. The next one, the girl was excited when she heard the news of the concert because the options are, A, it was her desire to see and attend the concert, B, she would also perform there, C, she could go there with her brother, D, it was to be held in her school. The answer is A, it was her desire to see and attend the concert. Then next one, you will wake him up. The options are, brother said this, B, mother said this, C, father said this, D, sister said this. The answer is, mother said this. Then fourth one, I have always wanted to hear him and see him. The options are, Anant wanted, B, Smita wanted, C, father wanted, D, Aunt Sushila wanted. The answer is, Anant wanted. The next question, he raised himself up on his elbow for 1 second. His mother was caught by surprise because the options are, the boy was awake, B, the boy spoke later, C, that boy was bedridden, D, the boy was very sick and bedridden. The answer is, the boy was very sick and bedridden. The next question, suddenly a daring thought came to her. The thought Smita had, the options are, to attend the meeting, B, to attend the interview, C, to go to the office, D, to go to the concert. The answer is to go to the concert. The next one, why not? There no harm trying it. The options are, mother said to herself, B, Anand said to himself, C, Smita wanted to go with her father to the concert, D, Anand wanted to go to the office. The answer is, Smita wanted to go with her father to the concert. Then act 1, a walk in the park might make you feel better. Gave her a suggestion. The options are, father, B, brother, C, Aunt Sushila, D, mother. The answer is Aunt Sushila. Then next one, a daring thought that Smita had when she sitting in the park was. The options are, to take Anand to the concert, B, to attend to a concert and enjoy the program, C, to invite Pandit Ravi Shankar to her house, D, to speak with doctors about taking Anand to the concert. It was asked in 27 March 2019. The answer is C, to invite Pandit Ravi Shankar to her house. Then the next question, she pretended that all would be well and they would return together, a small family of 4, to their house in. The options are, A, Mysore, B, Bombay, C, Gaganpur, D, Bangalore. Yes, the answer is Gaganpur. Then the next question, Anant was fastest runner and the options are, football player, B, the best table tennis player, C, cricket player, D, basketball player. The answer is the best table tennis player. Then next question is, they did not voice their fears, the word they stand for. The options are, A, doctors, B, friends, C, family members. The answer is family members. Then the next one, Pandit Ravi Shankar is. The options are, flute maestro, B, sitar maestro, C, tabla maestro. The answer is sitar maestro. Then the 14th one, the doctor said, take him home, give him the things he likes, indulge him, and they knew. The options are he had cured, B. He would die, C. He would get furious. The answer is he would die. Then the extracts of the lesson. The first one, you will wake him up. The question A is, who said these words? The answer is, mother said these words. Then B question, to whom did he say? To whom did she say? The answer is Smita. Then C question, who will wake or who refer to him here? The answer is Anant. Then the second question, we must not miss the chance, he said. The question A, who is the speaker here? The answer is Anant. Anant said this. B, to whom did he say this? The answer is said to his sister Smita or said to Smita. Then the question C, which he must not miss the chance? The answer is to attend the Pandit Ravi Shankar's concert. Then third one, I have always wanted to hear him and see him. The question A, who wanted to hear him? The answer is Anant wanted to hear him. Then question B is, who is him referred to here? The answer is Pandit Ravi Shankar. Then question C, why he wanted to hear him and see him? ಯಾಕೆ ಅವನು ಬಯಸಿದ್ದ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ಅವ್ರ ಮಾತನ್ನ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಸಂಗೀತ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತ? The answer is he was learning to play sitar, so he interested to see the sitar maestro. Then fourth one, it's the chance of lifetime. ಇದೊಂದು ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುವಂಥ ಅವಕಾಶ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನು. ಯಾಕೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಅಂತ? The question is, who said these words? The answer is Anand said these words. The question B, what is the chance of lifetime? The answer is seeing and listening. Then the question C, why did he feel so? ಅವನಿಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಹಾಗನ್ನಿಸ್ತು? The answer is Anant had learned the sitar and he had also composed tunes. So he felt this. Then the fifth one, where father will take you. The question A, who is the you refer here? Or who is the you here? The answer is you means Smita or you is Smita. Then question B, who said these words? ಯಾರು ಮಾತನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? The answer is mother said this. Then question C, where would the father take her? The answer is to the concert. She also learned the sitar and she would be taken. Then the sixth question, this is not the last time they are going to play. The question A, who told these words? ಯಾರು ಈ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? The answer is mother said these words. The question B, to whom did she tell? ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಈ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದವರು? The answer is to Anant. Then the question C, when did she say? The answer is Anant wanted to go to the concert. That time mother said, when you are better and you would be, go to the concert. This is not a last time. Then the next question, no, how can I? We have always done things together. The question A is, who spoke these words? The answer is Smita said these words. Then question B, to whom she did tell? The answer is she told to Aunt Sushila. Then question C, when did she tell? The answer is when she was alone with Aunt Sushila. That time Smita cried out in a choked voice and said, we have always done things together, Anant and I. Then eighth one, why not? There is no harm to in trying it. The question A, who spoke these words? The answer is Smita said these words. Then B, to whom she did tell that? The answer is she told herself. ಅವಳು ತನ್ನಷ್ಟಿಗೆ ತಾನೇ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಂತ. Then question C, why did she tell that? ಯಾಕೆ ಅವಳು ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ಲು? The answer is because Anant had suffering from cancer. He wanted to hear and see Pandit Ravi Shankar's music. The ninth one, Panditji is busy man. You must not bother him with such requests. The question A is, who said these words? The answer is, most second man said these words. Then question B, to whom did he say this? The answer is to Smita. Then question C is, when did he say this? The answer is when Smita requests to Pandit Savishankar for her brother's wish because of his illness and suffering from cancer. Then 10th one, tomorrow morning we perform for the boy. The question is, who said this? Answer is, Pandit Ravishankar said this. Then question B, to whom were these words said as? The answer is said to Ustad Allah Rakha. Then question C, who would perform? The answer is Pandit Ravishankar and Ustad Allah Rakha. Then question D, why would they perform for the boy? ಯಾಕೆ ಅವರು ಹುಡುಗನ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ? ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ they would perform for the boy because he was in his deathbed and seeing them perform was one of his wishes. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನು ಸಾವಿನ ದವಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊನೆ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಅಂದರೆ ಸಾವಿನ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಂಗಿದ್ದ ಅಂತ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅವನ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ, ಅವನ ಆಶೆ ನೆರವೇರಿಸೋ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಅವರು ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ. ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ 11th one, it is not possible. The question is, who spoke these words? The answer is Aunt Sushil's neighbors. ಅಂದರೆ ಸುಶೀಲಾ ಆಂಟಿಯ ನೆರೆಹೊರೆಯವರು ಅಂತ ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕದವರು. ದೆನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಿ, why did they say these words? ಯಾಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಈ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅಂದರೆ the answer is they saw Pandit Ravishankar and Ustad Allah Rakha went up the wooden staircase. Then question C, when did they say these words? The answer is when neighbors saw two men getting out of the taxi which pulled up their block. Then give one word. The first one, a feeling of a great pleasure. It means enchantment. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಡಿ ಮಾಡುವಿಕೆ. Then second one, a voice filled with sadness. It means choked voice. ಅಂದರೆ ಉಸಿರುಗಟ್ಟಿದ ಧ್ವನಿ ಅಂತ. Then third one, a great performer, especially a musician, means maestro or maestro. ಅಂದರೆ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ಗಾಯಕ ಅಂತ. Then fourth one, a person who is specially good at some act or achievement. It means wizard, with ಮಾಂತ್ರಿಕ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ, ಮೋಡಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Then fifth one, an act or event that does not follow the laws of nature and is believed to be caused by God. It means miracle, ಅಂದರೆ ಪವಾಡ ಅಂತ. Then sixth one, move quickly and suddenly towards a particular place. It means sprang, ಚಿಮ್ಮುವುದು ಅಂತ, ನೆಗೆಯುವುದು. Then seventh one, a feeling of a very great surprise. It means astonishment, ಅಂದರೆ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ, ವಿಸ್ಮಯ ಅಂತ. Then eighth one, to believe in a particular way in order to make other people believe something that is not true. It means pretended, ನಟಿಸುವುದು ಅಂತ. The ninth one, enthusiastic clapping by the audience who stand up from their seats as a sign of their appreciation. It means ovation ಅಂತ, ಅಂದರೆ ಗೌರವ ಅಥವಾ ಜಯಘೋಷ ಅಂತ.